Hi Sara, good afternoon. How are you today?
Good afternoon, Ayan. I'm doing well. I just finished my online class. What about you?
I'm good too. I was watching an English learning video. I really want to improve my speaking skills.
That's great. Improving English speaking takes time, but daily practice helps a lot.
Yes, I agree. Sometimes I understand English, but I feel nervous when I try to speak.
That's very normal. Many people feel shy in the beginning. The important thing is to keep trying.
How do you practice speaking?
I usually talk to myself in English. For example, I describe what I am doing during the day.
Really, that sounds interesting.
Yes, like in the morning, I say, now I am brushing my teeth. Now I am making breakfast. It helps me think in English.
Wow, I never tried that. I usually just read English books.
Reading is good for vocabulary. But speaking practice is different. You have to open your mouth and speak.
You're right. Sometimes I'm afraid of making grammatical mistakes.
Don't worry too much about grammar. First, focus on speaking clearly. Grammar will improve slowly.
That makes me feel better. How many minutes do you practice every day?
At least 20 to 30 minutes. Consistency is more important than long hours.
I think I waste too much time on social media. I should use that time for learning.
That's a good idea. You can also watch short English clips and repeat after the speaker.
Yes, repeating sentences can improve pronunciation.
Exactly. And try to learn 5 new words every day. Then use those words in sentences.
That sounds like a good plan. From today, I will practice daily without excuses.
I'm happy to hear that. Let's practice together every evening for 15 minutes.
Deal. We can choose different topics like hobbies, daily routine, or future goals.
Perfect. Step by step, we will become confident English speakers.
Yes, one day we will speak fluently without fear.
Absolutely. Confidence comes from practice.
Thank you, Sara. You really motivated me today.
You're welcome, Ayan. Let's start our practice now.